Good morning, students. Today we will learn how to develop program for data visualization, or we can say how we can develop or plot graph in online ID. That is possible. What you have to do, just press here on Codetester or any other website which provide online compiler. You will have to wait for few moments for loading of different libraries or standard libraries required for program. As you press over here, we will see, as we press here, we will see nothing can be here done here, only open tab and copy link options are there. Now if we execute the same, the main.py file, it will return us the result because we are not displaying any value. That's why nothing is being displayed in output window. Now what we have to do for data visualization purpose, data visualization is possible with graphics, and graphics is supported by image files. So one kind of image file can be used for the same purpose. So generally we use .jpg file for the same purpose. First of all, what we have to do, we have to write any single statement. Just as we press any key, there are two options created automatically. First one, just after the files word, to create a new file or to create a folder. So first of all, you have to create a file, any JPG file, to store the graph. Now I create one JPG file named a.jpg and press here. Okay. Now again switch to, as I move to a.jpg file, it cannot be displayed directly here. Some files may fail to load on the browser. Click here to download. We have to download that file. It is right now not required. What we have to do, first of all, we have to develop program for this file to display or visualize data. So move towards main.py file. Now write the code to display or visualize data. So I use these codes for the same purpose which I have taught you yesterday how to display. Press here. And then copy. Now move here and press paste. Okay. Now we are having main.py one file and another is a.jpg. Okay. Now one thing to be changed, single quotes which is not in proper form should be corrected. Then all the datas are here. NumPy file is NumPy library is there. We are creating object of NumPy library. Then again we are calling modules and creating objects of this module with the name PLT. Then data points are being set. One is year, another is JNV pass percentage, another is KV pass percentage. Year is being used for X coordinates purpose, and JNV pass percentage and KV pass percentage list values are being used for Y coordinate purpose. And we plot this JNV pass percentage with color as green and KV pass percentage with the color orange. Now we display on X level year and on Y label we want to display pass percentage, and as a heading we want to display JNV and KV pass percentage till 2018. As per our requirement we can change the value now, but this show method can be used on your offline compiler on or your PC. But if you want to display or visualize our data in this graphic pattern, in this line chart pattern, in that case we have to save our file. So one method is there, we have to call that method save. FIG is one of the method, and the file name we have created to be written here. The file name is a.jpg we have created here. So I call the method save FIG and save the content in a.jpg file. Now I execute this one. Program is being executed. Now student, you are finding after execution of this but data is not being shown. So call here plt dot show and show this one. Okay, now execute the statement, same statement. Okay, it's changed plt dot show, that's why it was not displaying. Okay students, I hope that you will be finding the output here. Okay, no need to worry. You have the visualization part has been displayed to you. Now you can do it yourself. And what after because of over this mobile I have pressed this one for multiple times, that's why it's going like this. What you have to do, you just have to press and execute this program. You will find the output of that graph over here. And another option, you have to press over this file option where you have created file a.jpg. You have to press over that a.jpg file and your data will be shown as separately. Okay, this is possible, you can do it yourself. I will give some assignment regarding this. Thank you.